Hello, nice day to you. Here is one of the most hot sell dental chair, Prince TAOS800L dental chair. It is with two unique functions. We made the electric section instead of air section, so it will be much powerful and convenient for the dentist using. And the second unique function is the vacuum cleaning tube system. Just turn on 5 minutes each day. It will push all the debris out from this drainage tube to keep the dental chair clean and remove the bad smell. And compare of the market dental chair, for this level of chair, normally they make the cushion is very short. So we extend the cushion, become 2 meters long, and with the wider, bigger metal frame. So this dental chair, generally speaking, it is very strong and big size. It will bring a positive impression for the dentist. And also have the new operation tray with the injection mold. And here we have the extra one holder. In case if you want to install the electric micro motor, it will be available, the holder and injection operation tray. And many small points to support the dentist working, like the water can fulfill directly from above. It's much easier. And the new positioning of the LCD, no conflict while removing with the lamp. And even the lamp holder is longer. For dental chair, they have many choice in the China market, and the price from 700 to 3,000 US dollar. So why the price is with big change, big difference? It is related to the internal quality. For our dental chair with the CE and ISO, and for the small parts, we come to the details. The motor is from the listed company, the #1 in China, and all the internal tubes from the raw material from US. So it can last in using at least 5 years. Also the control system, because like this dental chair already in the market more than 10 years. So the control system and all the spare parts already filter the quality. And the last point, the dental chair, the correct walking distance is very important for the dentist using. For example, while here using the operation tray or the patient sitting, the length of the hospital, all the distance is calculated well. So any dentist who use the Lingchen dental chair after few months, he will feel this chair is meaningful and comfortable for him. For our dental chair with 2 years warranty, and we have full options to choose, and also if you want other model, it is available. Nice to share with you. Thank you.